Chris Hipple with Levitt Recreation Hospitality Insurance, and today I'm going to bring you a little bit of information about some of the tips and secrets about insurance that you may not know. Today we're going to talk about work campers. Work campers are people who go to work for campgrounds in exchange for trading a site most of the time. And most of our clients like to say that these people are independent contractors. And they oftentimes 1099 them, and they feel that they have no employer-employee responsibility with regards to these folks. And in most states, that couldn't be further from the truth. So the test of whether someone is an employee is usually an element of control. So for example, if I hire a plumber and I ask the plumber to come and do some work for me, the plumber shows up when the plumber wants to show up. The plumber goes in and assesses the problem and does the work how the plumber feels is the appropriate way to do it. My responsibility is just to pay the plumber. Plumber shows up with his own vehicle, he shows up with his own tools, he does the work and really is under no element of control of me at the time. Most of the contractors I've actually dealt with in the past, you have a hard time just getting them to show up, let alone exercising control. So that's what an independent contractor is. Now, most of the work campers that we run into in our marketplace are going to be people who are staying in a site, told where to mow, provided the tools to mow, so they're given a mower or they're given a weed eater and they're told when to start, when to stop, those sorts of things. Those are elements of control. Now, when you really find out is when somebody is an employee or not is after they get injured. Now, after they get injured and you don't have workers' comp and you don't have any sort of methodology for taking care of their injury, they go to the hospital and they say, how'd you get hurt? And they say, I was working for so-and-so. And then the hospital makes a note of that and starts a work comp file. And then the claim gets turned in, and all of a sudden you're dealing with the Department of Labor who's contacting you saying, hey, we need your certificate of insurance so we can take care of this loss. Bottom line is you're going to be digging out of your pocket for the first and last dollar of any sort of injury, plus any sort of disability claim. That's not a place you want to be. Conversely, you get workers' compensation, which is most times just a small percentage of their overall amount of payroll or remuneration. And that is anything that's used in form of barter or trade. So if you're giving them the space, that's assessed value per month. You give them anything else, that's going to be assessed to value. It's in most parks very affordable coverage. And the big reason you want to get it is because you get tort liability immunity. That means they can't sue you if they take money from you in the claim. So here at Levitt Recreation Hospitality, we'll take a look at your relationship with the people that are working for you, help you determine whether or not they're independent contractors. If we need to, we're going to advise you to consult with your attorney on this matter so that we get it right. And then we'll go out and find the best quote for you for workers' compensation to make sure you're protected, your park is protected, and you don't suffer needless loss. Again, I'm Chris Hipple with Levitt Recreation Hospitality Insurance, and thanks for listening.